You are someone at a point in your life that's getting divorced, becoming homeless, lost your job, whatever the happenstance that fits your personal story. Such things listed is unfortunately, for many of us, are what we end up having to go through. And when it comes to starting over, it doesn't look heroic in the real world. It's slow, it's messy, and most of the time, nobody is clapping. Nobody's cheering you on for you while you are doing it all. A lot of people in this world that you would casually pass by on the sidewalk are not struggling so much because they failed. They're struggling because they're rebuilding after their lives were broken. A relationship or marriage that went bad, a job they seriously relied on, or a big career they held is over. A business they started or a business they've had for years, decades, has been lost. Their health or a loved one's health has been compromised in some way. Rebuilding one's life doesn't come with clear milestones. There's no manual and/or scoreboard, no quick wins, just a daily effort that feels small until, with enough grit and not having given up, it suddenly isn't. Many people will get stuck, not because they can't work hard, but because they don't see proof yet that the work in rebuilding isn't paying off. So their doubt creeps in. Second guessing shows up, and it gets real tempting to quit before the new foundation is even ever finished. But rebuilding one's life is possessing a different kind of strength. It's not loud, it's not flashy. It's patient and stubborn and quietly disciplined. Strong-minded individuals understand that progress after a setback almost always feels slower than it should. Not because you're doing it wrong, but because you're building something that has to last this time around. And that takes more thought, more restraint, and more consistency than just chasing the big move. Think about this for a minute. If someone observed your life right now, just on the surface of it, would they realize you're in the middle of literally rebuilding your life? What part of your life are you quietly working on that most people don't see now, if ever? And what would you tell another person who feels stuck in that same place of trying to rebuild? So let's help each other out online by not crying into the camera and looking for sympathy from millions of strangers, but by sharing your experiences with a million of strangers that could genuinely help many others with their lives.